on, a decision was made by the Republican leadership that said, look, let's not give him a victory, and maybe we can have a replay of 1993-94 when Clinton came in. He failed on health care, and then we won in the midterm elections, and we got the majority.
Later, when talking to Organizing for America loyalists, Mr. Obama said 3 Senate Republicans may help negotiate a health care deal, but he won't wait much longer for results.
We don't know yet whether we've got any Republican support. There's going to have to be a conclusion that either they can get a bill done or they can't get a bill done.
Tonight, the so-called Gang of Six, Democrats Baucus, Conrad, and Bingaman, and Republicans Grassley, Enzi, and Snow will hold their first negotiating session of the month. No breakthroughs are expected. Grassley told Fox a Gang of Six deal must still win other GOP votes.
3 Republicans and 58 Democrats don't make a bipartisan bill.
While the president complained about Republicans, Democrats now appear divided on strategy. Senate Democrats have vowed to use, quote, any legislative means necessary, unquote, to win on health care, including sidestepping the Senate's 60-vote filibuster threshold with an arcane and politically risky maneuver called reconciliation that would allow them to pass it with 51 votes, an idea some House Democrats applaud.
If Republicans aren't going to want to cooperate, and if they don't want to work with us, then we may have to go it alone and pass it with just Democratic votes.
But Democrat Mike Ross of Arkansas told reporters Democrats should not pass any reform without bipartisan support. Missouri Democrat Emanuel Cleaver agreed and told Fox in a phone interview Democrats may need to start from scratch.
There is a need for us to hit the reset button, because I don't think what we are discussing now is of any value to the American public. If we come out with a strictly Democratic plan, it will increase this putrid partisanship that, in my estimation, is doing enormous damage to the nation.
Bottom line, Democrats say they and the president need a better sales pitch.
We have to do a better job of selling what we're doing. We're not doing as good a job, frankly, as we should.
On the topic of the public option, that's the government-financed health insurance plan, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi today said, quote, there's no way I can pass a bill in the House of Representatives without a public option. Meanwhile, Andy Stern, head of the Service Employees International Union, said if Democrats don't pass health care this year, they could lose control of Congress next year. The White House declined comment on this dire political prediction. Brett?
Major Garrett live on the North Lawn.